Hi, it's Donna again, and I just finished reading The Children's Blizzard by Melanie Benjamin. I've read probably 3 or 4 of her books already, and I love her. This story, it takes place in January of 1888. This is a historical novel, so it's based on truth. Characters are not real, but they're based on real characters. And in 1888 in January, in the Dakota Territory, it was a beautiful January day. Nice, warm, the sun was shining, and everyone was just so happy to feel the warmth. The kids went off to school in just a sweater, and the men went out to work in the farms. Beautiful day. And all of a sudden, the blizzard hit. And it snowed, and it snowed. And these kids, and it's based on 2 different schools in 2 different areas that are close together, and their teachers are sisters, and they're only 16 years old. And all of a sudden this blizzard hits, and they don't know what to do. It's their decision whether they should stay where the fire is. There's no more firewood, basically, so they either have to freeze there or walk to somewhere warm. And the choice that they make is probably one of the most difficult choices that they ever will make, and how it affects all the lives of the town around them. It was a fascinating read. It was a heart-wrenching read. Melanie just gets to your heart and just tears it out, stomps on it, and oh, it was so good. Highly recommend it.